Hello, grade 10. Ngayon, pag-aaralan natin ang arithmetic sequence. Kung makikita niyo sa example, meron tayong 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Ngayon, kung mapapansin niyo, nag-i-increase siya by 2. Tama? 3, naging 5 kasi nag-add siya ng 2. 5, nag-add siya ng 2, naging 7. 7, nag-add siya ng 2, naging 9. 9, nag-add siya ng 2, naging 11. Okay? So, that is a sequence. Ngayon, sabi dito, the number that is being added each time to get the next term is known as common difference. Okay? Yung ina-add natin na parang tinatawag nating pattern ng isang sequence ay tinatawag na common difference. Tandaan niyo yun. Now, dito sa activity 1 ng module, meron tayong number 1 to 5. Sasabihin nyo kung A, arithmetic, and A kung not arithmetic. The question is, paano ba malalaman kung arithmetic or not arithmetic ang isang sequence? Very easy. Makinig kayo mabuti. Meron tayong example dito. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay, investigate natin sa sequence na to. 3 naging 6. Ibig sabihin, nag-add siya ng 3. Another, 6 plus 3, naging 9. 9 plus 3, naging 12. And 12 plus 3 equals 15. Now, kapag para-pareho yung pattern, para-pareho yung dumadagdag, doon natin masasabi na ang given sequence ay arithmetic sequence. Malinaw? At ang tawag sa mga positive 3 na yan ay common difference. O dahil masyadong mahaba, ginagamitan natin to ng letter D or small d. Pag may nakita kayong small d dyan, pag pinag-uusapan ng arithmetic sequence, ang ibig sabihin nun ay common difference. Next, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 8 naging 10, nag-increase siya ng 2. 10, nag-increase ulit ng 2, naging 12. 12 naging 14, nag-increase ng 2. 14 nag-increase ng 2, kaya naging 16. Since para-pareho yan, ibig sabihin, ang given sequence ay arithmetic sequence. At ang tawag ulit sa mga positive 2 na yon ay common difference, which is D is equal to 2. Yun yung common difference ng sequence natin. 3, 5, 7, 10, 13. 3 naging 5, ilan ang nag-increase? 2. 5 naging 7, ilan ang in-increase? 2 ulit. 7 naging 10, ilan ang in-increase? 3. 10 naging 13, ilan ang nadagdag? 3. Now, para-pareho ba? Hindi. Hindi para-pareho yung common difference nila. It means this sequence is not an arithmetic sequence. Kasi yung common difference ay iba-iba. Nag-add ng 2, nag-add ng 3. Ibig sabihin, madali lang malaman kung ang given sequence ay arithmetic sequence. Kapag pareho lahat ng common difference, ito ay arithmetic sequence. Kapag hindi para-pareho ang common difference, ibig sabihin, ito ay hindi arithmetic sequence. Another example, 18. Kung mapapansin nyo, 18 naging 16, ibig sabihin, nabawasan si 18. Sa arithmetic sequence, hindi lang pwedeng dumadagdag. Meron ding bumabawas or nagbabawas. So, nag-minus siya ng 2. 16 naging 14, nag-minus siya ng 2. 14 naging 12, nag-minus siya ulit ng 2. 12 naging 10, nag-minus siya ulit ng 2. Since para-pareho ang common difference, this is an arithmetic sequence. At ang B natin, which is the common difference, is negative 2. Of course, pag dumadagdag, yung common difference natin is positive. At kapag naman bumabawas or nababawasan, ang common difference natin ay negative 2. Another example, match the sequence with its correct common difference. So, gamit yung mga sequence na to, hanapin nyo yung common difference. Tinuruan ko na kayo kung paano kumuha ng common difference. Example, 5 10, 15, 20, 25. Dumadagdag siya ng 5. So, ang sagot dito is 5. Kaya lang kasimple. Pag bumabawas, negative. Next, activity 3. Find the missing terms in each arithmetic sequence. Sa number 1, may given dito 3, 11, 19. Ano yung kasunod? Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano sagutin to. 4, 7, 10. Ang common difference is 3. Bakit? Kasi si 4, dumagdag ng 3, naging 7. 7, dumagdag ng 3, naging 10. Ibig sabihin, dagdag lang tayo ng 3. 10 plus 3, 13. And 13 plus 3, that is 16. Ganun lang maghanap ng missing terms. Next, common difference, positive 2 or add 2. Kasi si 5, naging 7. Tama? Next, si 7 naging 9. Nag-add siya ng 2. So, tama yung common difference natin. Add lang tayo ng 2. 9 plus 2 equals 11. 11 plus 2 equals 13. Ganun lang kadali. Another example. 12 naging 7. Nabawasan ng 5. So, ang common difference natin is negative 5 or 12 minus 5. The answer is 7. 7 minus 5. The answer is 2. Tama? 2 minus 5. The answer is negative 3. And negative 3 minus 5, the answer is negative 8. Baka malito kayo, balik tayo sa sign of integers para naman ma-review kayo kung paano naging negative 3 or negative 8. 2 minus 5 equals 3. Bakit 3? Unlike sign, positive yung 2, yung 5 is negative. Pag hindi pareho ang sign, anong gagawin? Subtract. 5 minus 2, the answer is 3. Next, ano ang sign? Ang sign is negative. Bakit negative? Kasi mas malaki yung number na 5 kaysa kay 2. At ano ang sign ni 5? Negative. Kaya ang answer natin is negative 3. Another. Negative 3 minus 5. Parehong negative. Kapag parehong negative, anong gagawin? Anong rule? Add. 3 plus 5. The answer is 8. Ngayon, ano yung sign? Kapag pareho yung sign, just simply copy the sign. Kaya ang sagot natin is negative 8. Malinaw? Next. 10 for negative 2, blank, blank. Analyze nyo. 10, naging 4. Dumagdag ba? Hindi. Bumawas siya ng 6. So, 10 minus 6, the answer is 4. 4 minus 6, the answer is negative 2. Negative 2 minus 6, the answer is negative 8. Negative 8 minus 6, the answer is negative 14. Tingnan natin. Review tayo ulit para hindi kayo nalilito. 4 minus 6. Unlike sign, negative si 6, positive si 4. 6 minus 4, the answer is 2. Pag unlike sign, subtract. Pag same sign, add. And mas malaki si 6, anong sign ni 6? Negative. So the answer is negative 2. Next, negative 2 minus 6. Same sign. Kapag same sign, add. 2 plus 6, the answer is 8. Since both negative, ang gagawin lang natin, copy the sign, which is negative. Next, negative 8 minus 6. Same ulit. Same sign. Pag same sign, add. 8 plus 6, 14. And copy the sign of both negatives. Next. Ngayon, kung mapapansin nyo, dito sa example na to, nawawala yung first, second, third term. Pero meron tayong fourth, fifth, tsaka sixth. Paano gagawin dyan? Working backwards. Magsimula ka sa dulo. 28 naging 20. Ilan ang nabawas? 8. Tama? 20 naging 12. Ilan ang nabawas? 8. Ibig sabihin, nababawasan siya ng 8 pag magsisimula tayo sa dulo. 12 minus 8, the answer is 4. Tama? 4 minus 8, the answer is what? Negative 4. Bakit? Unlike sign, minus. 8 minus 4, 4. Which is bigger? 8. What is the sign of 8? negative. So the answer is negative 4. Next, negative 4 minus 8. Same sign, add 4 plus 8, 12. And copy the sign of negative. Kaya the answer is negative 12. Now, what is our common difference? Negative 8? No. The common difference is positive 8. Tandaan nyo, grade 10, kapag naghahanap kayo ng common difference, lagi tayong nag-i-start from left to right. Sa kaliwa, papunta sa kanan. 12, 20, 28. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 8, 28. So, ang common difference natin is positive 8. Ginawa lang natin guide yung working backwards para masolve yung missing terms. Okay? Pag meron kayo hindi naiintindihan, balikan nyo lang yung video. Goodbye! Sana may natutunan kayo.